Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect the GameSir Nova Lite controller to your PC using Bluetooth. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. If your PC does not have built-in Bluetooth, you will need a USB Bluetooth adapter before continuing. Now take your GameSir Nova Lite controller and turn it on. To do this, press the home button once. After the controller powers on, we need to activate pairing mode so the PC can find it. Press and hold the home button and the B button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for about 3 seconds. Watch the indicator light on the controller. When pairing mode is active, the home indicator light will start flashing blue quickly. This flashing light means the controller is ready to connect to a new device. Next, move to your Windows computer. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, select Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth switch is turned on. Now click the Add Device button. A new window will appear with a few connection options. Select Bluetooth from the list. Your computer will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. After a few seconds, you should see a device called Wireless Controller. In some cases, it may appear as Pro Controller depending on the controller mode. Click on that device name to start the connection. Windows will now pair with the controller. Wait a moment while the connection completes. Once the controller is connected, the indicator light will stop flashing and turn solid blue. This means the controller is successfully connected to your PC and ready to use. Thanks for watching.